What's up everybody, welcome to another Figma tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at how we can create a button in Figma that expands and contracts depending on the length of the text. So let's jump straight into it. So I have this hero for a website, and this is probably the worst way you can build a CTA. It's just a rectangle with a text box on top of it, not even grouped, not even framed. So of course, as I change this, the rectangle is not going to be affected. So the best way that we can create a CTA that is dynamic is we can copy the text box and we're going to create an auto layout. So you want to make sure that this auto layout is set to hug on the width, and then you're going to focus on adding padding to the sides and to the top. Now you're gonna add a fill. We're gonna make it black just like the CTA. And the reason we set this to hug is so that the edges of the auto layout are gonna contract or expand depending on the width of the element inside, which in this case it's the text layer. You can see it right here. So in theory, as I change this text layer, the auto layout is going to retain the same padding on the sides and the top that we just assigned to it. So let's test it out. There you have it. Now you have a CTA that expands and contracts depending on the length of the text. If you learned something new, please hit the thumbs up button below. And if you want to see more Figma tutorials in the future, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.